Danny Masterson. You might know him from that 70s show. You might not remember him from 70s show or otherwise, but we finally have a resolution on these trials that have been the trial that's been going on a long time. And he was found guilty in this retrial. He was convicted on 2 counts of forcible rape. He's currently facing up to 30 years in prison. So, I mean, this is kind of a big deal, and it's it reminds you of some other celebrities that might have, had kind of high profile trials. None, of course, would ever be bigger than O.J. Simpson. So he is currently being held in the LA County Men's Central Jail. It's the same facility that once held O.J. Simpson. That actually occurred in 2008 whenever O.J. was being held due to the armed robbery that occurred in Vegas, and put him in jail for that actually put him in jail, whereas, the alleged murder of his wife and her boyfriend were not his fault. He was liable in civil court, but they were not his. He was found not guilty in criminal court. So he apparently, if he was convicted, so we can say that he raped him. I'm still going to say that he allegedly raped him. Between 2001 and 2003, he was found guilty on the 2 counts. The third left the jury deadlocked. 8 jurors voted guilty, while the other 4 said not guilty. So I don't know. I'm not going to state any more than that. He was convicted. He's being held. He's facing a huge sentence should it go that route. And for his sake, as I would say for anyone who's convicted of any crimes, I sure hope he's guilty, because the time's going to stink, whether he did it or not. I do tend to think that because this jury threw out one of the cases and convicted on the other 2, I think they saw enough that for themselves they were convinced. And, that makes me think there's a very high likelihood, of course, that he is guilty. And so, I mean, you rape somebody, I really don't care how long they lock you up for. It's obviously disgusting, and you deserve whatever you get.